sets me free. I run in circles, trapped by code that's twisting up my soul, spending my life behind the screen instead of reaching a goal. Apologies to every friend I kept on red, but now I'm stepping forward, done repeating what I've said.
It can be a burden, yet it's also a sign. It's calling you to wake up, to redraw the line. Let the tears lead to healing, let your heart realign. There's still a chance to mend the days you left behind. I'm crying out through all this pain, searching for a light, hoping to rewrite the past, to make these wrongs feel right. From endless loops of sorrow, I'm yearning to break free. A newfound resolve inside me, praying it sets me free.
I'm stepping off this hamster wheel, reclaiming every breath.
There's strength in your confession, you're not bound by regret.
I'll forge a better path, let these loops guide me home, and we'll rise above the cycle, no longer left alone.
I'm crying out through all this pain, searching for a light,
Hoping to rewrite the past, to make these wrongs feel right. From endless loops of sorrow, I'm finally breaking free. A newfound resolve inside me, this time I choose me. I'll lay my guilt to rest, to start again at dawn. No loops to bury me, I'm ready to move on.
every line I write feels like a lie I can't defend. Scrolling through achievements, wondering how it ends. Shadowed by the doubt that whispers in my ear. Am I just an imposter, living in my fear? Codes a tangled mess, errors stack like my regrets. Trying to find my place, but I'm stuck in silhouettes. Lines of code and lines of thought, spiraling inside, chasing validation in a world where I can't hide. Every failed compile, a crack in my disguise, searching for the confidence behind these weary eyes. Echoing screams inside my mind,
I don't belong here.
breaking through the walls I've confined.
I don't belong here.
Feel the rage, let it ignite.
I don't belong here.
Catharsis in the dead of night. Imposter syndrome, a shadow I can't shake. Every success I burn feels like a mistake. Comparing every step to
delirium ignites the keys we pound. Staring at those glowing squares, the night's our battleground. Characters come to life while we jam to every beat. We'll finish this epic journey and we won't admit defeat. Lights flicker overhead and the code compiles. We're halfway to greatness, determined all the while. Pixels flash in brilliance, forging levels at warp speed. In the hush before the storm, our hearts catch every beat. We're punching chords and writing codes on borrowed time. We're building roads before the deadline starts to climb. Our restless minds race to create the perfect scene. This crunch time dream is all we need to feel alive and free. We're counting all the frames, we're tweaking every line. No turning back now, success is on the vine. The final push is pulsing through this pop-punk vibe. We'll conquer any glitch, yeah, we're unstoppable tonight. We're punching chords and writing codes on borrowed time. We're building roads before the deadline starts to climb. Our restless minds race to craft worlds we've never seen. This crunch time dream is everything. It's what we really need. Pixel after pixel, we watch our vision take flight. We crash through every barrier, shining bright in the night. My sink is overflowing, got no time to scrub a dish. I'd rather slay a dragon made of code than grant one grown-up wish. Pizza crust is ancient, but I'm lost in epic quests. My chores can wait another day, I'm sure they'll pass the test. Hey, I'm chasing pixel glory, forget that laundry pile. Time spent coding is never time defiled. So call me lazy, say I'm stuck in a fantasy phase. I'm building worlds with these lines, never wasted days. The dust on every shelf reflects my questionable pride. I'd laugh it off and keep on typing, got no shame to hide. My neighbors hear me shouting each time the code compiles, but I'd rather crash a program than fold clothes into a pile. Reality is knocking, it's pounding at my door, but I'll pretend I'm AFK, cause I've got lines of code galore. A fierce rebellion brewing in these glitchy frames. I'll stay here till morning, fueled by pixel flames. Hey, I'm chasing pixel glory, forget that laundry pile. Time spent coding is never time defiled. So call me lazy, say I'm stuck in a fantasy phase. I'm building worlds with these lines, never wasted days. Nah, I've got dungeons to conquer. Mop the floor? Why bother? I'm a digital rocker. These chores can sit and wait while I chase my source code highs. This self-deprecating madness keeps me feeling so alive. Hey, I'm chasing pixel glory, forget that laundry pile. Time spent coding is never time defiled. Each function calls for balance where my thoughts have fled. Reorganizing systems, both digital and real. Seeking harmony and clarity in how I feel. Breaking down the barriers, cleaning up the mess. Refactoring every part, striving for success. Patterns emerging from the chaos, finding my own way. Turning over a new leaf with each passing day. Refactor my mind, redefine who I am. Rebuild my habits, let the old ways disband. Coping with the struggles, finding strength inside. Renewed and revitalized, let my spirit rise. Optimizing pathways, streamlining my flow. Clearing out the clutter, letting new ideas grow. Facing every challenge with a mindset that's strong. Integrating changes where I truly belong. In the quiet moments I find peace within. Adjusting all my settings, let the healing begin. Strategies and coping tools to guide me through. Embracing all the changes, starting something new. Refactor my mind, redefine who I am. Rebuild my habits, let the old ways disband. Coping with the struggles, finding strength inside. Renewed and revitalized, let my spirit rise. Shifting all the patterns, tearing down the walls. Embracing every moment, answering the calls. We refactor our lives, embrace the change. Moving forward together, rearrange. Refactor my mind, redefine who I am. Rebuild my habits, let the old ways disband. Coping with the struggles, finding strength inside. Renewed and revitalized, let my spirit rise. Refactored thoughts. Renewed The monitor's flashing red, my heart's on overload. Every crash feels like heartbreak, but I can't let go. Reaching for a quick fix, coding on a shaky thread. Errors piling up so high, I'm losing my head. Hey, I'm on a bug hunt, chasing down this code. Patching it together so it doesn't explode. Laughing through the drama, raging at the glitch. I'll piece it back together with my big sloppy fix. I'm rewriting lines in panic. Duct tape
Hello?
solutions galore. Hearts racing
Can you hear me
like a
now?
break. Can't handle one crash more. Caffeine's fueling my meltdown, comedic rage in tow. I'll smash 1,000 keys until I've won the show. Each failure's just a step on this patchwork ride. I'm band-aiding.
You should be able to hear me now.
my pride. We're almost there.
Hopefully.
One more fix to survive. Then this sloppy patch will finally go live. Hey, I'm on a bug hunt, chasing down this code. Patching it together so it
So,
doesn't explode. Laughing through the drama, raging at the glitch.
I know, right? It wasn't even muted. I don't know what was going on. I just unplugged my mic and replugged it back in. I've been talking for the last 17 minutes.
The build's running hot, I'm holding my breath. Every line's on trial, standing up to the test. Once the green check
Hey
flies,
Chips.
we'll be
Hey
dancing
Nutri.
tonight. Say goodbye to heartbreak, everything's alright. Hey, I'm on a bug hunt, chasing down this code. Patching it together so it doesn't explode. Laughing through the drama, raging at the glitch. I'll piece it back together with my big sloppy fix. I'm slapping on that band-aid. No time left to despair. We'll celebrate this patch, 'cause now it's live everywhere.
Alright. So, I think... Oh, now my camera's frozen, isn't it? Okay. Super bright for some reason here. Let's fix that real quick.
But there's a spark inside me that won't let go. A vision in the darkness starting to
It's probably good. I think we'll go with that.
fixed on the prize. Believing in the moment when the
Let's see what else can break on the stream this morning. I shouldn't say that. Something else will.
everything aligns. A breakthrough build, crossing all the lines. From the depths of struggle to the heights I've dreamed. This is my moment, shining like a beam.
So we have this.
Sweat and tears on every key. The journey's been long, facing down the doubts, proving I belong. Each successful run a testament to my fight.
Can't save. I guess the description doesn't matter. I'm not sure. I updated the description, but it's not giving me the option to save it again. But anyways,
Every hurdle faced, I went the length. Now the code is
I think
the vision clear.
that's gonna be that. I think that's all set up. I have all the logic hidden except for the one node you need to connect to activate the game. I put a description of how to use it, some tags. I think we're all set there. So now, you know, a while back, Trench, you asked about a keycard system. Doors.
From the shadows answering the calls. Celebrating every victory, every climb. This breakthrough builds
So,
our time.
do you have like a specific type of door you want that to work with? Or I guess, would you just want the logic that you could use to trigger any door?
Than it seems. We've built our dreams. Now they come alive. With every line perfected, we continue to thrive.
Well,
We built our dreams. Now they come alive. With every line perfected, we continue to thrive.
you may have to find if we don't have those specific doors, you may have to find somebody to create that door, the doors. Because I'm not really sure how you're gonna make a red. I mean, I guess I don't know.
Deadline closing in. Heartbeat syncs with the clock. Feeling all the spin. Errors flashing warnings. Every second counts. Pressure mounting higher. No room for any doubts. Thinking every change, fearing what's to come. Hope and fear collide, racing like a drum. Can we push it through, or will it all collapse? Holding breath, eyes wide, avoiding any traps. We're racing against time, midnight merge tonight. resolutions, battles in the code, merging all the fragments, lightening the load. Teams on edge and ready, fueling the fight. Every push brings us closer to the break of light.
Breathing in the chaos, find the peace inside. Trust in what we've built.
There's our red door.
Subside in the face of disaster. Let's find our way.
This will be our sample door.
Racing against time. Midnight march tonight. Every line must go.
With some, I know a few people have made some key cards before.
Unified heart. Push through the limits, break down every wall.
So let's go with
Chaos, hear the victory call.
We merge as one. No fear can hold us.
couple of these.
Triumph in the darkness, keeping us on track. We're racing against time. Midnight merge tonight. Every line must align. Keep the vision in sight. Feel the urgency rise. Don't let it tear us apart. Together we stand strong with one unified heart.
Merge is complete. Dawn breaks the night.
So whoever made these,
Stepped into
the UI wasn't shown here. Credits. Right, Zinx made these. Fortunately for us, he allowed us to ungroup it.
Endless nights, eyes heavy, minds are shattered.
Which means I can create a gameplay item out of it.
In every way, coffee stains on paper, shadows on the wall. Every sacrifice a question, wondering if I'll fall. Pressure mountain higher, can't escape the grind. Lost in this obsession, peace I cannot find. Every step I take, another piece breaks free. Burnout's closing in, consuming me. I'm drowning in the darkness, can't find my way out. Every breath is heavier, filled with doubt. Longing for a moment, a place to breathe. Burnout's laments, I need to leave.
And the reason that this is important
Sweat drips on the keyboard, fingers numb.
is this is how we'll get it
Lines of battlefield, fighting demons at the core. Every line I write feels like a
in the
war inside me rages on.
in the UI.
In the silence of the night, I hear my heart cry. Seeking solace in the shadows, wondering why. Can't break these chains of endless toil and pain. Yearning for the sunlight to feel whole again. I'm drowning in the darkness, can't find my way out. Every breath is heavier, filled with doubt. Longing for a moment of
Call this yellow.
burnout's laments,
E.
I need to leave.
Blue key. And I don't know, pink key. I don't know. It's pink-ish.
From the ashes, answering the calls. We fight the burnout's grip, finding our release. Seeking out the solace, chasing inner peace. I'm rising from the darkness, finding my way out. Every breath feels lighter, shedding doubt.
So if we do that, Scale these down. Let's see if we can do something like
the meltdown's creeping closer. Am I trapped in this routine? I pace the room, internal voices in debate, questioning my every move. I can't afford mistakes. The code's a labyrinth. I'm stumbling through the haze, searching
let's
for a reason.
do
Grace. The tension in my chest keeps tightening like a vice. I cannot run the panic, can't ignore the sacrifice. I'm pinned against the deadline. It's whispering my name. A shadow looming over me, amplifying all the shame. I need release from this.
do a interact volume.
I can't contain. Cursed loops and dreaded logs are fueling all my pain. Twitching my fingers, no solution in sight. I'm running on adrenaline, locked in an endless fight. Reboot after reboot, errors flooding red. I can't silence the cynic living rent free in my head. Desperation in the keys, I'm beating on the desk, determined to emerge victorious from this test.
Something like this.
I can't believe I'm here again, on the brink of another breakdown. I wonder if it's
And we're gonna do a quick test.
There must be a resolution somewhere in this code I'm in. I need release from this.
See if we can use gameplay items for this.
Within, no mercy left to find. My senses overload. The frustration never quits. I'm teetering on the edge. Surrender or resist. I won't let the meltdown own me, even though it's fierce. I'll tear through every obstacle, cut through every fear.
Which I'm pretty sure
I'll feel the chains unwind. I'll emerge from
you will be able to. It just won't work and when you test it. Single player mode. You'll have to test it in multiplayer mode.
that breaks the tension. No regrets left behind. I'll fight through every line till the path is in my sight. And when I conquer this beast, at last I'll breathe tonight. No more illusions, no more spiraling inside. The fix is found and I'm finally alive.
Do you need extra nodes to test in multiplayer? Mine didn't seem to load ever. No, shouldn't need extra nodes, but I guess how were you checking if it was working?
Every line I write feels like a gamble I can't afford. Echoes in my mind insist I'm faking every chord. I see the others shining, feel I'm stuck in the shade. My confidence is fragile, trapped under this masquerade. I question every move. It's a knot beneath my skin. Imposter words constrict me. Oh, where do I begin? But something stirs inside me. A spark that won't be quelled. I'm on the edge of breaking
Gonna do
free.
that.
Time to face myself.
And then let's do something like this. do top right, the right padding of about 300. Then I need one of these guys. Do the same thing, top right. Right padding of 300. And yellow key.
Your dignity. I feel the chain reaction, my doubts start to fade. You're standing in your power now, no more masquerade.
So
Smash these walls of fiction, our confidence ignites. Breaking free with all we have, this is our fight tonight.
we're gonna do update. What did I call this event? Sky. Should have a check gameplay item node. Let's do greater than. The number is greater than 0. This in there. If it's true, we will show these for that player that triggered this event. So it should hopefully happen here. If I go pick this up, let's grab this stuff and this stuff. Let's kind of move this over here to where our character is going to spawn at, so we don't have to run so far.
Confetti's raining down with every brand new song. The chat is wild and rowdy, and I'm soaking up the love. This pop punk joy keeps the vibe so bright. Streaming in the sunshine, living that Twitch life.
I just said we have to test on multiplayer mode, and the first thing I do is test it on single player mode.
Comedic riffs galore, tossing jokes around the chat. I'm always hungry for more. From pub to LOL, the hype train's full speed. We got riffs, we got laughs. This stream's all that we need. I see the cheers popping up in neon lines. The comedic flow keeps us all aligned. We're dancing on stream, pure endorphin fix. In this bright pop punk tune, we can't resist. Hey! Confetti's raining down with every brand new song. Hey! The chat is wild and rowdy, and I'm soaking up the love. This pop punk joy keeps the vibe so bright. Streaming in the sunshine, living that Twitch life.
Okay, so I'm not sure what's going on there.
Every sub feels like a
So let's figure this out real quick.
emote spam, face cam glow. We're all together, we're never alone. This channel's become our second home. Hey! Confetti's raining down with every brand new sub. The chat is wild and
So let's
and I'm soaking up the love. This pop punk joy keeps the vibe so bright. Streaming in the sunshine, living that Twitch life. We raise our hands high.
didn't realize I was in a group with all of that stuff over there. Whoops. Whoops. Should be able to just do that to remove that from that group. Then what I would like to do here, first off, let's just turn these on to make sure that that's going to look right. And
Countdowns ticking, midnight oil lines of code like lifelines in the dead of night. Every bug's a shadow creeping in my mind, chasing down perfection, leaving doubt behind. Heartbeat sinking with the flashing lights, pressure mounting higher, reaching for new heights. Can I push through the chaos, make it to the end, or crumble under stress? Let this moment bend. Release, stay panic, racing against time. Fear of letting go, but I'm crossing the line. Heavy
let's
guitar
do something like that.
going my fight in this frantic moment. I ignite the night.
I think that number is just going to be huge in the middle of the screen because I didn't style it at all.
Out the dream, air is stacked like mountains, shadows in my way. But I'm fueled by adrenaline, pushing through the fray. In the silence of the launch, doubts start to fade. Finding strength within me, no longer afraid. Through the sleepless nights and endless streams, I rise above the panic.
Concentrating on a maze you're building.
Release, stay panic, racing against time. Fear of letting go, but I'm crossing
Okay, so there's definitely something wrong here.
Breaking through the barriers, tearing down the fear, embracing every challenge, letting courage steer. We conquer all the chaos, rise above the strain. Release, stay panic, but
That to fix that.
release, stay panic, racing against time. Fear of letting go, but I'm crossing the line. Heavy guitars
This needs to also be
in this frantic
top right.
I ignite the night. Release stays here. The fear subsides. From panic to triumph,
Yeah, for the font, you have to turn this extend mode to none. Otherwise, it just fills to whatever space it has available. I think I just did a single player test again. I don't remember what I clicked on.
Late night sessions with my code, debugging madness overload. QA says
The amount of time it's taking to load. Maybe I did do a multiplayer test.
closed.
Alright, so that looks better-ish.
SEO, it haunts my sleep. Keywords in a tangled heap. Page speed test crash on repeat. Rankings crumbling.
I feel like my award here is not working.
Bring only pain. Compatibility's a game. Cross that line, will never tame. CSS a twisted maze. Pixels lost in rendering haze. Old IE with its old ways. Modern trends in browser craze.
So let's see what's going on here.
Accessibility, my plight. Aria screams into the night. Screen readers are
See if this is working.
everybody needs the right. Web dev driving me insane. Browser wars bring only pain. Compatibility's a game. Cross that line, will never tame. AP's a mixed up brew. Endpoints lost in server stew. Errors flying out of view. Debug blindfold what we do. Web dev driving
Okay, it says awarded.
browser wars bring only pain. Compatibility's a game. Cross that line, will never tame.
Which I'm not so sure. Need that player ID on that event too. I think that's part of the issue there. Oh, and Trench. I guess everybody, but since this what I'm building right now is for Trench. When you use gameplay items, they persist between sessions. So you have to make sure that you account for that in your arcs. So what I mean by that is all of this testing I'm doing, I'm adding a whole bunch of these gameplay items to my inventory. When the UI part here starts working, it's going to show I have like 50 of them. Yeah, I can actually see in the UI and the logs down here. It's updating that number to 38. So I have 38 of them. It's just not shown in the UI because I'm not updating things correctly. I'll do a refresh on that. No, it will persist. It's like having a custom inventory for your arc that persists. So if you want it to where people start with nothing, you're going to have to put in some logic to just clear out whatever they have when they load in.
I'm burning with
Alright, so now or if you want them to keep that progress, you don't have to do that. Like if I go in there and find the yellow key, then I gotta leave. Then when I come back, I still have the yellow key, so I can go open the yellow door. It's really up to you how you want to utilize it. Alright, so I come up to the key, I pick it up, and it shows up on the UI up there. It actually shows I have 39 of them because I put the number on there. Let's do something like this, and I think I'm just gonna get rid of the background on it. This is the part that just drives me crazy, is it takes so long to do the multiplayer test. Alright, so no UI, I come up, pick it up, UI shows up. It may not be the perfect spot for it, it may be too big, but it shows up. So now let's figure out gameplay. Let's do something like player join. Player joins, check how many of the item they have, and then we'll just remove that amount from them. So every time you load in, you just don't have any. And then I think I also am going to do this. Just update the UI when the player joins as well. Alright, so it's showing I have 40 up there. So I have it refreshing the UI. But I probably should have had it do that after it removes the number, right? If I pick this up, oh, did the removals not work? I know this is working because the number counts up as I pick it up, which is probably, like, once you pick it up, you probably want it to disappear. But we'll get there. Why did that go to blue key? And let's do this. Hopefully, if that works. Now, the UI won't be showing any key cards when I spawn in. Yeah. UI is not showing for the card. Come over here and pick one up. It still went to 48. So that must mean this isn't working at all. I wasn't passing a player ID into that. Okay. Have to keep the player ID going all the way down the chain. So it's getting the number and removing them from the same player. Okay, let's see. Alright. Yep, now we're back to 1. So that is wiping out what was in my inventory. Oh, I didn't mean to jump into that. And then if I grab my door that's over here, let's make this our yellow door. And then we're going to instead of having a trigger volume here, we'll do another interact volume. Something like this. And we just need gameplay. We need to check. We'll need to consume on interact. I need to get player ID. Uninteract. The player ID. Raider. I need 2 of them. A branch. This is true. Do this. Make sure all of these are set to yellow keys. And then on consume, we'll trigger this. We'll just get rid of this. It's not going to be perfect because this door logic is going to close the door, I think. Actually, I don't know. We'll see. I didn't do something. I didn't have it refresh the UI. So it will consume the key, but it won't update the UI showing it's consumed. So we can fix that. Alright, so just to check, come over to the door, press F, nothing happens. I come over here, pick up the key card. Come over here, press F. I don't know why the door opened that way. Maybe that is the... Yeah, I think that's the wrong trigger. Trigger that one, and then also trigger this event for this player.
Looking back on all we've done, the miles we've crossed, but the journey's just begun. There's no line we've lost. New horizons calling, dreams that never fade. With every dawn arriving, new foundations laid. Infinite potential shining in our eyes. Boundless opportunities reaching for the skies. We're unstoppable together, breaking every wall. Grand horizons before.
All right, so just verifying again. Come up to the yellow door and pressing F. Nothing happens. Come over here. Pick up the key card. UI shows that we picked up the key card. Come over here. Press F. Door opens. UI didn't update. But I'm pressing F again. That's not trying to open the door again. So I'm pretty sure it did consume it. Why did it not update the UI? Let's add this in here. Assume success. And then this will do that. Let's get the UI part to work. We'll just pick up the key card. I picked up 2, but I think that should be fine. I'm just removing however many you have when you open the door anyways, but why is the UI not updating? Oh. I know why. Because I didn't actually tie that in yet. This is false. It just needs to hide these. I'll even have it update that so the number won't like flash a different value for some reason later on. Alright. Pick up the key card. Open the door. Open the door. I don't know why that lags so much. And the key card's gone. Oh, if I come over here and pick up the key card again, I can come over here and break the door. But I can only do it if I have a key card. That's gonna be up to the door logic, I think. I think I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna deal with that. We're going to this is probably unnecessary, but we're gonna do this anyways. We're gonna set this up for the blue key and the pink key. Gonna get rid of the text because they should only ever have one key. There's really no point to the text, right? You just want the image of the key showing up on the screen.
Sinking in these tangled threads of code and quiet fear. Desperate for a breakthrough voice that finally feels sincere. Once bright lives have faded, collapsing under doubt.
Alright, so we'll just get rid of the text.
For a moment of clarity.
Duplicate this. Change this to blue key, this to pink key.
Nights grow darker, each loop a twist of fate. But even in the blackest hour, it's never
This will be blue key.
fragments of a dream.
One will be pink key.
Let the music draw you
And
the doubt decrease. I'm rising from these tangled threads, confronting all my fear. A flicker of that breakthrough.
adjust those to display in the right place.
I'm reaching through the doubt. Clarity cracks the darkness. At last, I'm crawling out. The project breathes again. And so do I.
Pizza boxes scattered round, scribbles in the margins, ideas swirling faster than the coffee that's dissolving. 3 a.m. again, eyes are wired shut, so you
Then
gotta get these thoughts out, feed the frantic pop punk
it's
dream.
this.
Hey, we're riding
Get rid of those logs, we don't need them.
through power chords, fueled by silly jokes. This late night mania is all that we need. Our digital destiny, pop punk guaranteed.
Where's my...
Exhausting brainstorming, we're dancing in our chairs, laughing at how random these scribbles turn to dares. We'll code them in the morning, but for now we riff and play, chugging energy in tandem, forging.
What is the still group 2 over there? That's all the way over there.
Activities exploding, we're living way too fast. We're making something epic from these
Just
scripts of
do
glory. When the sunrise
this.
hits, we'll watch this legend sing. Hey, we're writing legends with
Yellow key card. Pick up.
power chords, fueled by silly jokes. This late night mania is
So confused. Why is that all the way over there?
digital destiny, pop punk guaranteed. We're shouting out the lines, half delirious, half inspired. Pizza boxes keep the stories from being retired. Every scribble gets a chord, every chord gets a cheer. We're unstoppable tonight. Who needs sleep here? Hey, we're writing legends with greasy pen strokes, tearing through power chords, fueled by silly jokes.
There we go. That was weird.
Mania is all that we need. Our digital destiny.
Let's
We'll laugh at all the chaos and the anthems we've
yellow
devised.
key card.
This
Pick up.
caffeine crash comes, we'll dream the next surprise.
Let's do unreceived. Turn the interact volume off.
Ideas clash like titans, tension fills the air. Communication breaks down, misunderstandings grow. Every deadline's looming and the pressure starts to show. Can we find a
We'll set the visibility of this
weight of
to
tearing at our hearts?
not visible.
Misaligned vision, shadows in the light, struggling to stay united in the heat of the fight. I'm feeling the pressure,
And then we also will need to
holding on to hope while we're breaking down. Wrestling with the tension, trying to survive. Don't wanna let our team's dreams dive. Late nights and coffee cups, fatigue in every glance.
Also want to make sure we turn the collision off. Just because it's not visible doesn't mean the collision's not there.
Together we can rise above these sleepless nights. Finding strength and unity, letting go of pride. Rebuilding what we have side by side. I'm feeling the pressure, can't let you down. Holding on to hope while we're breaking down. Wrestling with the tension, trying to survive. Don't wanna let our team dreams dive.
Um,
I don't wanna be the
that'll just happen.
one who falls apart. Let's fix the communication, heal the broken hearts. We can overcome the
Lost my mouse cursor and whatever just happened.
together we're unstoppable.
Let's
Never alone.
make sure we save everything here.
Feeling the pressure, but we won't let it break. Holding on to hope.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
We've
Just want to make sure everything's saved because sometimes when you test it after it does the didn't save, then it gives you like two different versions of your arc and you can lose stuff. So just want to make sure I'm not losing stuff here.
united as one.
Okay, this is one. That's fine. Bring this up here. Yeah, quite frustrating.
Racing through the chaos of a digital dream. Can I navigate
That we're gonna do
my way to shore?
that.
And the uncertainty, forever wanting more.
So all of these to 4.
Inside my head, I'm reaching out to you. With every line I write, I'm finding something true. Nervous
Can't do that.
nights, but hope begins to rise. On this brand new journey, I'm ready to surprise.
Plugging through the darkness, searching for the light. Errors in my pathway, pushing through the night. Every challenge that I face fuels the fire within, turning fear into ambition. Let the coding begin.
In the silence of creation, doubts begin to fade. Embracing every moment, every choice I've made. From the first hello to the lines that intertwine. Building worlds within my mind,
Okay.
one step at a time. Hello world inside my head, I'm reaching out to you. With every line I write, I'm finding something true.
Something like that. Oh, I just did a single player test. Need to go back to multiplayer test.
Breaking through the barriers, tearing down the doubt.
Embracing every moment, letting courage flow. We smash these walls of fiction, our confidence ignites. Breaking free with all we have, this is our fight tonight.
It's punched my microphone. Hopefully. You guys didn't hear that.
I'm ready to surprise.
Hello world, I'm here to stay.
So I come up, yellow key card. And it's showing the blue key card in the UI. So I changed something incorrectly. Let's take a look at blue, yellow, pink, blue, pink, yellow. Alright, those got switched somehow.
Comments pop like fireworks, then vanish in a blink. Metrics grip my mind, pull me deeper than I think.
These numbers weigh a ton. Can't recall what's underneath.
Some
Statistics. When did I lose belief? Caught in digital illusions. Longing for a real sign, but I'm buried under data. Ignoring my own spine. Will and want more than numbers flashing on our screens. Craving honesty where our hearts shine unseen. Are we lost in these graphs or can we rise above the scheme? Let's break the hungry algorithm. Reclaim our self-esteem.
we are going to just clean this up real quick.
Pixels for my eyes. Each light feels like oxygen, feeding me these lies. I pace through the night with hopes flicker in my chest, but deeper truths forgotten in the haze of trending plays.
You're not just clicks and follows. There's more
Um,
validation's fleeting currency. Gone so very fast. If we let the world define us by a shallow scrolling sum. The spark inside us.
or trigger logic. Do this. On game start, set this to the yellow key. I'm gonna output this to both of those on game start. And if I do this, group, key card, door, trigger. That will clean that up a little bit. Then let's duplicate these. Somewhere over here. Right here. I don't know why these guys have thing all the way over there.
Isolation tastes like metal on my tongue. My eyes are heavy, but this storm has just begun.
I don't know what I messed up. If I ungroup it and then regroup it, does it fix it? No.
Anxious footsteps tapping in my mind. Desperate for some solace I can't seem to find. I'm lost in the swirling storm, coding through the pain. My heart beats amplified, but I can't escape the rain. If there's hope out there, let it break these walls tonight. I'm reaching through this.
Let's have to try to realign this ourselves, which is That's pretty good.
Haunted by a heartbeat on repeat. I'm drowning in the darkness, searching for my own release.
Edit this one. Move that. Add this guy.
Lightning sparks in my head, thunder echoes inside. I feel the pressure building, no place to hide. I coded myself into a cage, locked with my own fear. But maybe if I sing this code, someone somewhere will hear. I'm lost in a swirling storm, going through the
Get this guy lined up in here. Like so. Change this to blue key. I need that and that to point to that. And then what did I do? With the other key card. The damn thing's so tiny, I can't find it. Did I put it underneath the ground somewhere? Yeah, it's right there.
Static pulses in my headphones, the camera's set to roll. I feel the weight of all these usernames, I'm losing self-control.
Alright, let's get this lined up.
They show up for the show, but do I deserve them here?
It's pretty good. Now let's go in here. Move this guy. Add this guy.
Still I cling to the screen, I can't turn away. A million eyes watch me break or shine. Every second's do or die, every breath on the line.
That guy at that. Point this guy at that. Change this to the pink key. Then let's make a couple more doors here. This will be the blue door. I don't know if you can really see that, to be honest. This one will be our pink door. This logic, just copy over here. Over here. Guess we should put it actually up against the door. And if I did this correctly, change this to the blue key. Change this to the pink key. Now I just did a whole lot without testing much. So let's go see what all broke. So just double check. Door. Doesn't open. This door. Doesn't open. And this door. Doesn't open. I come over, pick up the yellow card. I got the yellow key card up on my screen. Blue door doesn't open. Pink door doesn't open. Yellow door opens. I didn't update the text, but blue key card, nothing with the yellow door, nothing with the pink door. Everything worked with the blue door except I didn't actually tie in the logic. So let's fix that real quick. And here, just try to keep these as similar as I can. This will be blue card. Pink card.
Twitch flame burning bright, game dev till the dead of night.
All right.
Follows rolling like thunder. In the game we all wander. Twitch flame burning bright, game dev till the dead of night. Follows rolling like thunder. In the game we all wander. Lines of code shaping worlds unseen. Pixels born from fever dreams. Control-less keeps the heart alive. Every line makes the screen thrive. Every line makes the screen thrive.
All right. This time we're going to yellow card,
Eyes flicker in the low light.
blue card,
Reflections of a digital right.
pink card. I got all three cards.
Cheering crowds through the screen.
Yellow door removes the yellow key.
Every follow fuels the
Blue door removes the blue key. Pink door removes the pink key.
Twitch flame burning bright. Game dev till the dead of night. Follows rolling like thunder. In the game we all wander.
So let's
Phone buzzes non-stop. I'm tethered to the stream. Real life slips in slow motion. Nothing's what it seems. Friends wait with empty plates. I'm lost behind.
bring all this over here.
Trying to please an audience I barely even know.
Anxious heart dividing, torn between two calls. A click away from strangers, but my loved ones watch me fall. Echoes of real voices fade beneath the static hum. I'm balanced
keycard door access. So, what you should be able to do is, if I publish this as a stamp, you'll be able to come in here and move each keycard to wherever you want it. You could even redesign them as long as you keep the interact logic the same. You can do whatever you want with it. I gave you 3 door triggers. If you want multiple doors to be open, you can just duplicate one of these and just change the gameplay item variable here to whatever key you want to open that door. And then this trigger, you just tie to whatever door's logic you want to open. This will only get triggered if the person interacts with the volume and has the key of whatever key type is in that gameplay item variable. Then this will trigger. So you can just connect that to whatever door open logic you want. I think the one thing I will do is I'm going to put a top padding on all of these, just a small one, because I personally just don't like when UI elements are right on the edge of the screen. So just to make sure that's what that looks like, I don't need to test the doors again, but I just want to make sure that the UI looks okay. Then I'll publish it out there and you can do what you will with it, Trench. I don't think I've made a stamp with gameplay items in it yet, so you'll have to let me know if it causes issues. We can always build on top of this as well. Why is that not? Oh, it just took a minute for the UI. Okay, it's just being laggy. So when you're not in build mode and that text isn't up there, I think that'll look pretty good. I don't have the things hooked up to the door anymore, so that should be it. So let's do create stamp. We'll do
the neighbors might complain, we just rock out more. A glitch here, a bug there, we don't even care. The spirit of rebellion's in the basement air. Hey, we're building worlds in this messy hideaway.
We'll do gameplay, logic, there like a door?
Rebellious girls and boys.
There is door. Save stamp version. There you go. Key card door access is the name of the stamp. You will have to try it out and let me know how it works. I've never put gameplay items in a stamp before, so I don't know if like all the variables are gonna carry over, because technically the gameplay item doesn't exist into your arc until you put the gameplay item in your arc. Well, I don't know what's gonna happen there, but we'll see.
Sugar makes my heart race fast. Callbacks and promises, hours fly past. Debug the mess, hit refresh and pray. Living the dream, pushing code every day. Control C, Control V, that's how we roll. Erase them.
I think we're gonna leave that at that. And I think before we go, I don't know if he's lurking here or not, but to call him out a little bit, maybe. Luigi did tell me that he updated his Go Fast Go arc, and I said I was gonna play it, and I never did. So we're gonna go see what's updated in there.
Like a mischievous child. API calls in the middle of the night. Git merge conflicts causing such a fright. But there's no clean when I see the code running like a well-oiled machine. Control C, Control V, that's how we roll. Erase
I'm pretty sure that you can see in the screenshot here, he put his Wages Wings restaurant in there. Hey, no problem, Trench. That's my goal here, is to can I just go down here? I can go down here. A little pit stop. That's my goal here, though, is to help when I can, build things for the community. What is going on here? I feel like you have a very weird camera offset in here, Luigi. Did you put a miniature model of Wages Wings?
it's still not gonna compile when I run it on Monday. It breaks. I'll be bugging all week. I'll be bugging all week. Not a way to relax. Not a way to detox. Without clarity. But I broke it on Monday. Really broke it. Have you still not built it? I made it again. Was prepared for a fight. Hidden well in my code base. Every comment's a misled. There's confusion indeed. And
Nice little detour off of the beaten path. Holy Jesus. We're out in space with asteroids.
say them if you wanna win. Say the line and
said S tier performance, and then it failed to teleport me. Maybe it wasn't supposed to teleport me. I thought he said he had it teleport you at the end. Oh, can I land on the platform? Nope, I missed. Yeah, I thought it was supposed to. But now it looked like it wasn't putting me close enough. And now I'm just falling forever. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna not touch anything. What's not speeding me up now that I respawned? I think you got a bug here, Luigi. Or you're only increasing the run speed. So if I just stop running, hey, Dizzy. I'm just breaking Luigi's map. I don't think I saw the TARDIS last time. Is it still an S tier performance? That we've collected a whole bunch more now. Yes, S tier performance. That was interesting. I don't recall ever seeing that before. Can you also do loops with that speed? I don't know. You'll have to ask Luigi. Had to go back and get that coin.
There's a spark that keeps us strong. A faith that we can build the world we've dreamed.
Can't wait until they put loops in the game for the tracks. So I'm curious. I haven't done anything with the race tracks yet, so I don't know a whole lot about what you can do there.
Now we're older, but these moments still ignite our souls. Battered laptops
I guess why are self-made loops a no-go?
we told. Every snippet of code still glimmers in our mind. A testament to how we never left that spark behind. Now we're older, but these moments still ignite our souls. The battered laptops, the laughter, the stories we told. Every snippet of code still glimmers in our mind. A testament to how we never left that spark behind. Hey, we're gonna code our dreams unbreakable at heart. Remember silly pranks and glitches.
They won't match the track pieces. They don't offer proper smoothness and connections to do proper ones. Okay, that makes sense.
Memories tight, these coding dreams will last. Our high school hallways fade, but our future's burning bright. We'll code the next horizon like we did late every night.
I don't remember if all that was over there last time I played here.
Inherited chaos, tangled in my mind. Old projects left behind, shadows I can't find. Every line of memory, every bug a scar. Struggling with the past, wondering who we are. Whispers of mistakes echo in the night, trying to break free, searching for the light. Can I rewrite
Maybe splines?
let the old ways go?
I guess we can only wait and see. I imagine they have to come up with something to allow us to do.
Legacy code, legacy self.
Make up more custom things, but they're gonna have to come out with something. Because unless they're gonna maintain like an incredibly large library of assets, like eventually everything's gonna kind of start looking the same because it's always just the same reused assets over and over again.
Weighing on my soul, but I'm pushing through the dark.
So they're gonna have to do something.
In the silence of the night, I face my fears. Letting go of burdens, shedding all the tears. Legacy doesn't define me. I rise above, embracing new beginnings, guided by self-love. In the silence of the night, I face my fears. Letting go of burdens, shedding all the tears. Legacy doesn't define me. I rise above, embracing new beginnings, guided by self-love. Shattering the echoes, tearing down the walls.
Alright, well, we just did a run through of the arcs that I know of that Luigi has.
Moving past the shadows, escaping aftermath. Legacy code, legacy self. No longer bound by remnants of the past self. Fighting through the darkness, finding my own way. Embracing who I am, stepping into the
I don't know what's going on with this portal. I think this one's broken. This looks like somebody in the Discord not too long ago said something similar to this happened. I don't know if they ever got theirs fixed. Can't click on anything either. I'm just stuck.
lines of code like
Well, I feel like I got brighter.
Chaos, striving for my best.
Pressure mounting, higher deadlines closing in. Silent battles raging, where do I begin?
I don't know what's going on there. But anyways, you once got out of the screen. Yeah, I don't know. But it is about that time for me to wrap up the stream anyways. So I think this will be a good spot to do that at.
Roaring through the pressure, breaking
Has anyone stamped pre-made racetracks yet for other? I don't know. I haven't done. I guess Nutri or someone in the chat might know better. I've not done anything with racetracks really. But yeah, we're gonna wrap things up here. We got our keycard door system for Trench.
The night I find my strength within. Through the trials and the fears, let the healing begin.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was afraid was gonna happen. Trench was the gameplay items weren't gonna transfer in the stamp. But I wonder if there's a way around that. We'll have to look into it. But anyways, thanks everyone for coming out and watch. We'll be back on Tuesday evening. And I don't have a specific start date yet for when we're going to do the marble game contest. But hopefully I'll get some details on Monday and we'll kick that off sometime soon. So stay tuned. And I'll let you know as soon as I know. Aside from that, you guys all have a good weekend. And I'll catch you all on Tuesday.
limits, tearing down the walls.
Bye.